Welcome back to the garage, and in this episode I'm going to get the engine and transmission pulled out of the truck. I've got the drive shaft unhooked, and next thing to do is the engine transmission mounts and the exhaust, and this thing will be pretty much ready to come out of there. So, good thing to keep in mind is to just leave the power steering pump on the truck itself. Don't unhook it from the steering box, because if I go to roll this thing outside, as soon as I turn it left or right, it's going to shoot fluid out all over the ground. So I'm just going to take the steering box, sit it up on, or this power steering pump, sit it up on top of the steering box, and probably tie it on there with some wire for the time being. And that way it doesn't make a mess when we roll it in and out of the shop. Moment of truth now. I got under there and unhooked the transmission mount, and it's always nice when a manufacturer thinks it's a good idea to put a steel bolt in an aluminum housing, but fiddled with that. It took about 45 minutes, which is nice. So I'm going to lift this out and hopefully it comes out no problem. Alright, and as you can see, the engine and transmission is out, so no more V8 7 to 8 miles to a gallon, and hopefully we're looking forward to 18 to 20 miles to a gallon. So thanks for clicking on the video and watching. Leave a comment down below, and hope to see you next time.